Hello everybody, my name is Kati Israel and I am a serial entrepreneur, global real estate authority, Amazon bestseller author and also media host in the TV show called The Postdoc. Today I don't want to talk about myself. Today I really want to talk about B-Builder. What is this and why I'm so happy to use their service? Well, 1 year ago, when somebody come to me and said, you know what, let's talk about landing page or let's talk about website or, for me, it was really Chinese. And when somebody go more forward or more deep and told me like, maybe you should build up your landing page. I would be like, or actually I was like, what? Are you serious? You're talking to me really Chinese. I don't know what is the landing page, why I need that, what is the, I know obviously what is the web page, but how should I do it? It would be like, no, I can't, let's talk about something else. But then I really started to use the Builder services, and now guess what? I'm building my landing pages. I'm building my web pages. Can you imagine that? And I know how important it is to have those. So if you want to have your landing page in your business, I think everybody actually should have landing pages. They should have their web pages, because if you are not online anymore, if you are not on social media, if you are not having your own web page, if you don't have your landing pages, I can say that your business is dead, because so many businesses and everything moves step by step more and more online, and you need to be there. People need to find you there. And if you're thinking to have a landing page and you would like to, you're thinking maybe to hire somebody or to do it by yourself. I know that you can do it by yourself because I did it. The person who really a year ago was like, it's Chinese, don't talk to me about it. I'm doing it and I'm loving it. And the good thing is it doesn't take a long time. It's just, you can, in few hours, you can just build it up and you can put it online and it's there and you can change it. You can add your blog post there. For me, one of the things is also what I really like about B-Builder is about that their service. They're really, they're really supporting you. And I have found the way that right now on my webpage, thanks to them, I have connected, there is a button that the people really can contact me. So they can schedule the call with me and it goes automatically to my business calendar. So all my things, they are connected and I don't need to send emails anymore with the people, writing like this or calling on the phone, wasting time. They just can go to my webpage. They can schedule the call with me. They can, they can access to the calendar. They can see what fits for them, what fits for me. And they can just push the button and I get the notification as well. So it is also I have got the landing pages, I got the web pages, and I have made my business easier. And the good thing about B-Builder is that, it's cheap, it's easy to use, and there's so many amazing templates what you can use, and it's it fits to all the industries. It can be the real estate, it can be training and coaching, it can be the crypto, it can be the maybe sports, health, fitness, everything. It's over there and it's so easy. Believe me, trust me, it is so easy to use. When you work together, when somebody knows Canva, for example, when you do your templates or the posts, you prepare your social media posts over there, you know how easy it is to use Canva. So basically B-Builder is the same, but for the landing pages and web pages. So if you haven't signed up today, believe me, you don't want to miss that. It is so easy, so good, and it takes your business to the next level. If I can do it, you can do it. So just go there, sign up today, and you want to use it for sure. Anyway, I want to thank B-Builder and I recommend strongly to everybody else as well. Thank you so much.